Quick analysis into DXY and Euro. So this is the weekly chart, right? There's already a wash and rinse here. So that's the wash and rinse, and it's pending a week close because this is the weekly chart. But when we switch that into a day chart, so this is what's happening. There are two levels of support here. And if this D2, which is 107.5, it doesn't hold, we should be expecting more downward movement towards the 105 or 106 level, 105.89 to 106 level. Now bear in mind that overall the trend of DXY is still up. Probably we are facing a little bit more of a correction downwards because of Trump effects. Now at the same time, don't forget I've drawn this, which is an equidistance channel. So the question would be whether price would be supported by this equidistance channel. If it doesn't, then we are really going to see more downward correction in the XY, and hence I will be looking at the usual suspect for this, which would be Euro.
Head to subscribepage.com/TAW ebook. Insert your email for instant access to our ebook on wash and rinse. You get a detailed walkthrough on how to use wash and rinse on stocks, indexes, gold, and crypto. Click the testimonial tab too. Find out why our community loves the no-brainer 100% cashback TAW course. Alright, let's continue with the video now.
Okay, so this is Euro. I have a trend line here. So this trend line is what I've always been saying. Be very careful about going short in Euro because it is very, very low already, or at this moment price has already gone down, quite substantially, right? So we are potentially having a wash and rinse here. So that's your wash, that's your rinse. And if there could be a weekly close, then we are going to have a weekly bullish wash and rinse here. Now, in terms of take a look here. So these are the tagline that denote this downtrend, and it's starting to break above the tagline. What I mean is that, that was previously a very nice resistance, and then we shorted from here downwards, but instead of being resisted, price is actually trading above this level here, which is 103.89. So I see that there would be a space for us to trade that. That means that to see this level as a support level and to trade until this level here. But if it should be breaking and having a day close, then I think that Euro is going to have a reversal of this downtrend. So look out for 1.0473 as the key reversal level for Euro. And that's it for my analysis today, and I see you next time.
Have you clicked the subscribe button? And how about a like?